Welcome to the Lowdown. I'm Kirk.
And I'm Mac.
And today we're going to chat about Fannie Mae reaching into the state's responsibility as it comes to title insurance for refinance loans.
As we have discussed a little bit before on the Lowdown, the FHFA and Fannie Mae specifically are looking into a pilot program that is going to allow attorney opinion letters in lieu of your typical title insurance policy on specific loan types.
And what's interesting about this is it goes into direct competition with the state insurance entities that insure these title properties against future claims, directly competing with the states at that level. This is something that we talked about previously with respect to the appraisal game. And once again, these government service agencies are trying to get into a competitive posture with the states and with the insurance companies in those states. And what's interesting about it is, like the appraisal situation, they're going after only the high-graded loans that are subject to refinance with respect to insuring them or finding insurance waivers for them.
Yeah, and one of the problems with that potentially is that it creates an unfair market for the title insurance companies that are trying to both provide competitive pricing and mitigate the risk that they have with these properties. So when the A-paper loans are going into this other area, it leaves a lower quality loan pool for them to insure, which would likely raise prices based on that risk.
Not only that, but here in the United States, government service agencies have not exactly always been, their liquidity has not always been secure, right? We learned that in the Great Recession. And it would be disconcerting if we were lowering criteria on how we insure these refinance loans and then something happened to cause those loans to fail, even though these are the higher graded loans, to come back and fail and be consequential to one of those government service agencies.
Multiple states have come out publicly against this policy from Fannie Mae. I believe it was kicked off by Tennessee, if I'm not mistaken, and 13 more or 12 more have joined into that fight to stop this and at least put a hold on what's going forward with this pilot program.
And not only those states, but Congress has actually joined with the states to say, we're not sure this is a great idea. And candidly, based on what we've read so far, we're not sure this is a great idea either.
Yeah, leave your comments below. Make your voice be heard with any public comments that any of the agencies are putting out for request. And follow us for more content like this at knowledgecoopplus.com.